This is your story, and it's the last one of the day,
Oh.
and it's my favorite segment of the show.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's when Mr. Willie Doo takes the reins, he takes the main microphone, he takes the hot microphone, and he aims to bring a story to the table which is greater or more interesting or more insightful than anything that I brought to the table over the course of the entire
Well,
show.
that's not true.
And at first I was skeptical. At first I was like, I don't know that seems hard to deliver. But he insisted on this portion of the show existing now and into the future. And it was
Into the future?
And so I backed down on it and I said, listen, if you're going to bring that type of value to the audience, if you're going to bring that type of insight to the audience, I'm not going to stand in your way. I'm going to let you have the last story of the day. I'm going to let you blow people's minds. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again to Willie Doo's wild card round. The floor is yours.
Oh, geez, you're putting the microphone away. Okay, well, this one is a TikTok story that kind of blew up. It's about burning snowballs. Apparently, snowballs don't burn when you light them on fire. They actually...
They do burn, you mean?
Well, they don't
burn.
melt. They don't melt. So...
They burn instead.
You have this YouTube video here, and apparently this woman tries to gather up some snow and tries to burn the snowball. And it doesn't burn.
It burns. It just doesn't melt.
Well, it's not...
Look at the black soot on it.
Well, it's not like burning in the way that you expect it to, right? It's not melting. It's not like there's no liquid that's coming out. It actually kind of turns black.
Yeah.
And it's a thing called sublimation, I think. And yeah, it just kind of turns into a gas. And apparently people are just blown away by it, like it's a conspiracy.
Yeah, so basically what happens here, it goes straight into vapor instead of turning into a liquid. That's what that term means, sublimation. So rather than
people are thinking like there's metals in there that's like making it burn.
Oh yeah, I mean once you're in the TikTok depths, the conspiracies are unlimited.
But I didn't know this. Did you?
No, I never tried such a thing.
Yeah, I thought it would melt, but apparently it just turns black.
Well, what actually was striking to me as well is outside of what's happening with the lighter being applied to the ball of snow is also where the fingertips are touching. I was curious because, okay, in that case, you don't have enough heat to go straight into a gas. But why is that portion not dripping?
Right, yeah.
But maybe it's just densely packed, or maybe the person's hand isn't actually all that hot. It's a really short clip, so maybe if you watched it longer as well. But the reason it's gone viral is because those answers aren't in the video. It's like a 50-second clip. Yeah. It just shows the thing. It's just like, wait a sec, that doesn't seem like it should work like that. I presume even if you had maybe the heat further away, it may not go straight to a gas. It has something to do with the amount of heat, right?
Intense heat or something.
Yeah, because if you're far away from the flame, I mean, if you've ever had snow on your boots and sat beside a campfire, it's going to melt.
Yeah.
But it's something to do with the density of the packed snow against the intensity of the flame being held right up next to it. And I agree with you. It's very strange. It turns black and then vaporizes.
Yeah, conspiracy.
Wait a sec. Is it or isn't it a conspiracy? Or did you end the show?
Well, I'm just saying, like it's what a lot of people are.
Since this is your segment, is it a conspiracy or is it just science?
It's science. Very cool science.